What is up? Hope everybody's doing well. Wanted to give you an update on the flatbed build. Here she is. I got the driver's side pretty much knocked out, kind of ready to go. We still got 100% all the welds and stuff, and down on the bottom I got to do some angle bracing for those, but the boxes are set. I got the ladder rack over here on this side, kind of mocked up how I want it. Let me get around here. I got the crane put in place. That's a Amazon find. Wasn't too much. And then this is the other side, how those are going to be laid out. So got the taillights in. Wanted to give you a quick update. We'll keep you posted. Hope everybody's doing well. We'll catch you soon.